challenge for Appak.
So welcome to Kachur Travels. We are today in Karwar. It's a coastal town that's sandwiched between Gokarna and the southernmost part of Goa. So Karwar is also famous for a navy base that exists here. So we're just going to see a couple of places in Karwar. Come join us. The first point we'll be going to is called the Naval Museum. Then there's a rock garden, and we'll pass by Devbagh Beach. Those are the three things that we plan to do in Karwar. If there's more, you will know. I will accordingly go there. Let's join. Let's go Watersports.
Yes.
Unfortunately, the museum is closed. Apparently, it's there only between 10 a.m. and 12 noon, and then they reopen at 4 p.m. and it stays there till about 6. So that's a bummer. That's what I've heard from some of the food stall vendors here. But I decided I'll probably give that a pass and make use of my time on the beach with the play area and the water sports that are there. Nandu and I decided to play tic-tac-toe and we'll see who wins. Okay Nandu, I'll start.
Hey!
Okay, I've started.
Cheating!
What cheating?
I won!
I won, I put everything, all that. You totally 120 seconds and you get 15 points if you climb up and climb down, okay?
From there, you have to climb down.
No, you know how to climb down, no?
Fine.
Start. 1, 2, 3, 4,
I
5,
cannot climb down from there.
6, yeah, come down. 7,
I cannot climb
8.
down from there.
You took up the challenge. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Wait, once again, pass.
16. No pass here. 17, 18. Don't get tense. 19.
Once again, carry me. Once again, carry me. Pause it and carry me. Come inside and carry me.
You just shift your legs that side. Go.
No,
Shift your legs.
Wait. Don't push.
21, 23,
Yeah, cheater.
25, 26, 27.
I'm going to jump down.
28. No jumping now. Climb down properly.
No,
That's the challenge. I'm sorry. You then lose. Don't lose. You don't get the 15 points.
So what?
42, 43, 44.
Wait. Stop it.
No stopping, boss. The clock doesn't say. Nandu, figure your way out. 48, very good. You're doing good. You're doing very good. 55, 56, 57. Oh, you're going to get 15 points. 58, 59, 60. Yay! 15 points to Nandu. Congrats.
Nah, I give you a challenge.
No challenge for Appak. Challenges are meant for kids like you. Nandu, let's ask the uncle how much it costs for the water sports. I think you're scared.
No, I am.
Go ask the uncle, no? There's a water scooter, that green color. साउंड आपके ऐसे आ रहा है? To go find Devbagh beach. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so let's go and see Devbagh. So we're nearing Devbagh bridge. This is the bridge that connects Karwar's mainland to Devbagh island. And looks like there's a traffic jam on the bridge. More than two vehicles can drive on this at the same time, especially in the opposite directions.
Take the next left.
So you got to pray that
Road.
nobody comes in the direction, and I also have to pray that when I talk, the Google lady doesn't talk. The Google lady just keeps on interrupting me.
Continue on Devbagh Beach Road for 800 meters.
I think we can stop anywhere here. This will become Devbagh Island. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and of course my own blog www.kachutravels.com.